In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut floor tiles. Start by placing a tile directly on top, making sure it's flush with one of the tiles on the floor. Then put a second one over there, push it up to the back wall, take your marker pen and mark the tile below. Get your tile cutter, butt it tight up against the wall so it doesn't move. Slide in the tile that's been marked, making sure the marking points are at the centre of the tile cutter. Put the blade on top, press down the arm and push it forward. Once you've done that, lift the arm and press it down. It snaps the tile into two clean cuts. Place the cut edge against the wall and the manufactured edge against the existing tile and the base clips. If you're happy that they fit, spread your adhesive, bed them into place, let them dry and grout them. For more 60-second tips, subscribe to the YouTube channel Mr. and Mrs. DIY.